Nam Rajeswar Singh na iba Colonial Records of the Kuki Raids in Manipur and their impact 1878 to 1914 hanaming thonba lairek amang asi phongkhre Kaithin Express Private Limited na publish tawduna Manipur Press Club ta pangthokhiba lairek phomgi thorm aduda retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai Oriental College ki Department of History ki Assistant Professor Dr. Oinam Daniel DMU ki Department of Philosophy ki Assistant Professor Dr. Michael Sanjat Sabam amadi Manipur University ki School of Human and Environmental Science former Dean Professor W. Nabakumar na Tubamitulin Singh Oina Sarukya K. Lairek Phomgi Thoronga Mailina Lairek Asigi Ayiba Yum Nam Rajeswar na Hai Delhi da Laiba National Archives of Manipur ga Mailina ba file sing mga hina lairamba thingnara K. Lairamliba file sing adudagi Lairek Asigi Chanagada ba file sing khungotuna miyamna khangna unadriba asengba masa kaya ithokuna tungi miro singidamak archival literature ama oina lehongna ba haduna Lairek Asig Phongbane masidana tana Kuki sing na border ga taina ba mafam singda changduna mafam sing adu makhoina lauksna ba honarambagi thawong kaya colonial record ta iduna leiramba adu mayak sing Lairek asida iduna hapli haina phungdokhe
adiki aina iriba Lairek Colonial Records of the Kuki Raid in Manipur and their impact 1878 to 1914 bauki record mayam si aina collection tawjare haraga masi publish tawjabne record sing asi National Archive India ki National Archive Delhi da leiba file akoi gi Manipur mari leina file lising manga hena lei masidagi haiba topic sida khangale haraga collection tawraga aina mayam na explore tawriba ngasi baw academic sing discourse tawriba discuss tawriba area ne khalaga